My name is Wayne Santiago, and I took the Occupational Therapist Assistant and Physiotherapist Assistant program here at Centennial College. I felt like the labs really helped us be prepared for the real world just because they gave us the groundwork of what we were supposed to learn before we got there. So by the time I actually even went to my first placement, they thought I was in my graduating year, but it's just because Centennial gave me that groundwork. They prepared me so well that I was able to get job opportunities before I even graduated. I had a great time just with my peers, and I just felt like everybody was like a close-knit family here. I would recommend this program because I feel like the profs do a really good job of working with you one-on-one. They really help you throughout the program to succeed.